In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a subscription budget tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple system to see what you are paying for, when the next bill hits, and how much you are spending each month. Start by creating a new page in Notion. On that blank page, type /table and choose Table View. This creates a database you can customize. Name it Subscriptions so it's easy to find later. Now, set up the essential properties. The first column should be name. A title property for the service, like a streaming platform or a cloud tool. Add an amount property, set to number, and change the format to your preferred currency, so totals are clear at a glance. Create a cycle property as a select, and add options for monthly, annually, and quarterly. Add a next payment property using the date type so you can track the upcoming billing date. Finally, add a status property. You can make it a checkbox or a select with active and cancelled. The key is being able to mark subscriptions you've ended so they don't clutter your totals. With the structure in place, let's add insights. Create a formula property called monthly equivalent. Use a simple logic. If the cycle is annually, divide the amount by 12. Otherwise, just use the amount as it. In Notion, that looks like if prop cycle equals annually. Prop amount Fay 12, prop amount. This gives you a comparable monthly figure for each subscription, so annual items aren't overstating a single month's costs. If you use quarterly for some items, this formula will treat the amount as entered. So be mindful of what you type there. For a quick overview of spending, scroll to the bottom of the amount column and select Sum. This shows a running total of your expenses, based on the values you've entered. It's a simple way to see your overall outlay without digging into each row. Next, create helpful data views. Make an active subscriptions view and add a filter, so status is not cancelled. This keeps your dashboard focused on what you are currently paying. Then, add a calendar perspective by creating a linked view of this database or by switching a new view to the calendar layout. Using the next payment date. This makes upcoming billing dates visible on a timeline, which is great for avoiding surprises and planning cash flow. That's your Notion subscription budget tracker, clean, flexible, and easy to update. Keep it accurate by entering each new service as you subscribe. And review it monthly to stay on top of your costs. Thanks for watching.